Welcome to the Museo. This site completes your museum hangout experience among the 3 national museums of Manila. The homepage features a vintage style with a blue-colored theme inspired by the Philippine flag. The navigation includes home, about, gallery, and contact, smoothly guiding users throughout the site. The centered The Museo welcomes visitors with a brief description. Heritage Art Society mirrors the mission of Manila's 3 national museums by passionately preserving history, culture, and architectural heritage. This perfectly introduces the website's purpose. The bright homepage invites you to dive deeper by clicking the Get Involved button placed in the center. The About page further introduces the site's mission by encouraging appreciations and visits to our national museums. Here, you can browse the 3 main museums, learn about them, and even confirm a visit electronically to avoid long queues from walk-ins. The blurred background highlights the message, and the About section in the navigation bar is bolded to show your current location. Click the Learn More button at the center to discover more.
Let us now move on to the gallery. The gallery in the navigation is now bold, signifying that you are now in the gallery page of the website. Still, under the blue-colored theme, this webpage introduces the 3 main museums with their gigantic pictures filling the page. And that's not only it. Once you try to hover or position your cursor in one of the photos, the museum name and its address will appear to give you initial ideas, with a slight enlargement of picture for a more intuitive design. The photo dim a bit to contrast with the text, making it easier to read. There is also a footer to complete the page layout. Let's take one of the pictures, shall we?
Museum Info. Clicking a photo takes you to this page themed in red, a primary color of the Philippine flag. With its pictures on the left, you are given the main information to expect when you visited the museum in person. This is displayed in a yellow and white text to stand out against the background. There are overall descriptions and number of galleries and exhibits and the location. This museum information page is designed to highlight main information for visitors like you to learn from. An arrow button is placed on the lower right of the screen where we will right-click right now.
And now, you are brought to the webpage to further showcase the museum in a series of pictures, like a real-life museum. The simplistic design lets you browse photos of the museum to excite you about your visit even more. You can click this to view more pictures to not overcrowd the page but still present photos of the museum. The red background continues from the previous page to maintain the visual consistency. Fully made up your mind to learn about it personally? Let's proceed to booking by clicking this gradient colored button at the center.
Now, it's time to move on to the form page where dear visitors are to fill out a form to book the museum. This form page encompasses full name, number of visitors, email address, contact number, and visiting date and time. As you can see, the header of the form and its background match the museum you've picked, just like the beautiful scenery of the National Museum of Fine Arts. Each input field includes placeholders as examples to guide users. It also validates the input, just like the correct email address format, and utilizes user-friendly features for entering visiting dates and time. It uses a calendar picker for entering a visiting date and a clock for entering visiting time. Isn't it fascinating and easy to fill out? There is also a Back to Gallery button at the top left corner in case your group changes plans. When ready, click the Book button to finalize your trip.
Afterwards, you will reach the confirmation page indicating that your visit has been scheduled. Set against a yellow overlay, the page displays a clear confirmation message along with the details you previously entered. such as your selected visiting date and time, which are styled in a different text color to stand out. In this yellow color themed layout, completing the Philippine flag colors, you are given an instruction for your entrance. Simply wait for that time to come, and you will be greeted by our staff to start off your visit within the museum. Once finished, you may also return back to the gallery by clicking the button at the center to view more of the museum. Thank you again for choosing us, and we hope you enjoy your visit.
Wait, if you have further inquiries, a contact page is presented for you. With colors of yellow, red, and white, the Museo is open for visitors to give your inquiries, comments, or feedback. The background is a museum-related photo with a yellow translucent overlay to make the contact details easily to read. The colors are designated to stand out. A return button can also be noticed to smoothly direct you back to the website's homepage once you are done. Thank you for exploring a website dedicated to appreciating and promoting our country's national museums filled with art and culture. Sincerely, the Museo.